Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Leo. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus sitting in the zodiac sign of Leo, this is the reading for the month of March and April for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Hermit. So for all the people who are currently in a relationship, you might be going through a period where you're trying to find answers in your relationship. There could be some sort of a situationship, some kind of situation, or things going on in your relationship where you're not sure. There's lack of clarity, and this could also mean that maybe your person. So take it as it is, either for you or your person. Either your person is trying to avoid communicating with you. They're trying to spend time alone so they can figure out the answers, or there is something in their life which is bothering them and they need to find the answer for it, which is why they are not giving you as much attention as they used to in the past. The next card I have for you is the Five of Pentacles. So Five of Pentacles is also telling me that there could be issues related to finances, or there is a big decision in terms of finances in the short term or in the long term that is impacting your relationship at the moment. It could be related to your career or their career, or moving abroad, or something to do with finances, where a big amount of finances seems to be the theme. So they're thinking a lot. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Pentacles, which tells me in your relationship you both are confident. Your self-esteem is high, you both are feeling very confident, you're feeling at the top of the world. But right now, despite this being your usual vibe, you are going through a period where there is confusion, there is lack of clarity, and you are seeking answers both internally and externally. It could also mean that you guys are not communicating as much as you used to in the past, because all the other things in life are not making sense at the moment, and you need the time alone, or you need to take this little trip alone, or there's this feeling of being depressed, being lonely, and not having anyone to rely on. But usually you're very high on confidence, but right now that's not the situation. And finances, or your career is taking priority at the moment. The next card I have for you is the Two of Pentacles. See, there are too many Pentacles cards. So you or your person, you're trying to juggle a lot of things. And for what I feel is that this person or you're trying to juggle not only your work, so materialistic life, but also your emotional or personal life, because of the water in the background. And this juggling is kind of keeping them sort of very busy, and they are unable to give you the time that you deserve. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Pentacles. So your relationship is going to move forward. I just feel like this is the time where you're going through a sort of low period, but moving forward, this person is trying to make efforts from their end, or you are trying to make efforts from your end, and things are going to move on. The only thing that you have to be not concerned, but you have to keep in mind is that the movement is going to be slow. But when this person come towards you with an offer, at the bottom of the deck I have the Emperor, which means they are going to make you a very realistic offer. So it's going to be very realistic. It's going to be something they want to offer you 100%. This person wants to offer you something. In terms of the zodiac, I am seeing Virgo, I'm seeing Capricorn, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Aries, Leo or Sagittarius are very prominent. There could also be a situation where this Two of Pentacles is actually denoting that you as a person. So if you are watching this reading for yourself, especially if you are single, it means you are stuck between two things. So you have two offers from two different men. One could have more Cancer, like a water sign, like property is very emotional, uh, uh, very going with the flow, chill kind of person. Whereas the other wife would be somebody who thinks a lot, who's very strategic in their approach, who's very practical, who's very humble. So these things seem to be very prominent in your reading. You may have a choice between two people, for all the singles who are watching this. But for all the people in a relationship, it tells me your news from your person is going to come eventually, and it's going to come slow. There are also chances that you might take a vacation together after, you know, they come out of this spiral of whatever it is that they are going through. See, the next card I have for you is the Two of Cup, which means the love is there. I told you, like, the love is there. This person is invested, their interest is invested with you, and they are going to move forward with you. It's just a matter of time. So if you can stay with them throughout, you know, this phase of their life, the next phase of their life, trust me, they are going to be there for you, and they are going to love you from the bottom of their heart. You'll feel like this connection is meant to be, and all you need right now is patience. uh yeah, a lot of patience is needed, because if you look at these top cards, right, it's talking about royalty. It's talking about, you know, coming to the top, being at the top. You know, there's a card of confidence, there's a card of, you know, authority, assertiveness, there's a card of leading, leadership, and again the strength card, you know, which depicts the zodiac sign of Leo. So again, royalty. So that seems to be, you know, one of the things which are very prominent in your reading. You guys are meant to be together, but you know, just like every connection has its ups and downs, you are going through one of these ups and downs. From the oracle cards, I have the first card for you is flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. So flirting is going to help you, especially in this phase. It's going to keep things more light. It's going to keep things more, you know, in a flowing manner, which is a really good thing. The next card that I have for you is religious factors. So, you know, there is something that's causing delays, or, you know, something that's happening, and, you know, told you, right, there's a situationship in your relationship. And with this card coming, it could say, you know, there is something, you know, related to religion. Either you guys are of different religions, you are from of different caste, or you guys could belong to, you know, different states. So, you know, intercaste, interreligion, intercultural, something like that is sort of, you know, either directly or indirectly influencing your relationship or your situationship, you know, with this person that you are asking about. um, this is the reading for you, especially for this month and the next month. So let me know, you know, if this resonates, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks and bye.